Quantum biology, the new frontier of life and light. My young adventurer, you've been journeying with me through the world of light, energy, and all the wonders that exist in the cosmos. But today, we're about to take a step into a truly mind-blowing realm, a place so mysterious that even the most powerful dragons scratch their heads in awe. I'm talking about the world of quantum biology, a magical place where science and the tiniest bits of light work together in the most extraordinary ways. Now, I know what you're thinking. Zoran, that sounds complicated, like trying to teach a cat to fly. And you know what? You're not far off. It is a little tricky, but fear not, because this dragon is going to make it fun. So sit back, relax, and prepare to have your mind stretched, but not too much. We wouldn't want to stretch it into the shape of a balloon. A long time ago, in the heart of a mysterious forest, where I used to nap between adventures, I overheard some scientists talking. They were excited, waving their arms like they were trying to swat at invisible bees. Quantum biology. One shouted, "It's the future of life." What on earth is quantum biology? I wondered. I had never heard of such a thing. As usual, my curiosity got the best of me. I flapped my mighty wings and landed with a whoosh right in the middle of their discussion. The scientists yelped and scrambled, but after they saw it was just me, Zoran the dragon, they quickly gathered themselves. After all, not every day does a dragon show up to a scientific meeting. "Excuse me," I said with a grin, "but what exactly is quantum biology?" One of the scientists, her name was Dr. Brightspark, looked at me with wide eyes. "Well, Zoran," she began, "imagine if life itself, plants, animals, even us, was more than just a bunch of cells and molecules. What if there was something magical at play? Something quantum, that makes everything come to life?" I tilted my head, blinking. Magical. Quantum. This sounds like the kind of thing you'd need a wizard for, not a scientist. Dr. Brightspark chuckled. "In a way, it is like magic. But it's real, and it's happening all around us. You see, quantum biology is about how tiny particles of light, we call them photons, are connected to the life processes of living beings, even on a molecular level." Tiny particles of light, I echoed. "So, you're telling me that light is secretly helping everything, plants, animals, even dragons, live and grow? That sounds like the best dragon discovery ever." Dr. Brightspark nodded excitedly. "Exactly. You know how a plant uses light to grow, right? That's called photosynthesis, and it's one of the best examples of quantum biology in action. But did you know that at the very heart of photosynthesis, light particles are doing something magical at a quantum level? They jump between molecules like invisible fairies, helping the plant make food from sunlight." I laughed and gave a hearty dragon chuckle. So plants have their own little quantum fairies helping them grow. No wonder they look so happy basking in the sunlight. Dr. Brightspark grinned. "Exactly, Zoran. And it gets even cooler. Quantum biology isn't just about plants. It happens in animals, too. For example, when birds migrate, they use the Earth's magnetic field to find their way. But scientists have recently discovered that light plays a part in this process at the quantum level. Tiny particles of light, like the ones we were talking about, help birds navigate through the air and find their way across vast distances." "Birds have quantum-powered GPS," I exclaimed. "That's unbelievable. Maybe I should try a little of that quantum magic next time I get lost in the clouds." Dr. Brightspark smiled. "It's pretty amazing, isn't it? And humans aren't immune to quantum magic either. There's a part of your body called the mitochondria, the little powerhouses inside your cells. They use quantum energy to create the fuel your body needs to move, think, and grow." "So, wait," I said, scratching my head with my enormous claws. "You're telling me that my mitochondria have their own little quantum engines running inside them? That's even more magical than a dragon's treasure hod." Dr. Brightspark laughed. "Yes, exactly. And one of the most exciting things about quantum biology is that it's showing us how everything, life itself, may be connected to light in ways we never imagined before. It's like the world is made of light, and everything from the tiniest ants to the mightiest dragons is dancing to its tune. I beamed proudly, feeling very wise and a little sparkly. Ah, I knew it. Dragons and light go together, like fire and flame. Quantum biology is just another way to say that light makes everything come alive. You're absolutely right, Zoran. Dr. Brightspark agreed. In fact, we think light might even play a role in how we think, feel, and heal. There are even theories that our bodies may be able to tap into quantum energy to heal themselves or solve problems in creative ways. It's still a mystery, but the possibilities are endless. As I took flight to return to my mountain there, I felt a great sense of wonder. Quantum biology was not just some far-off concept. It was the secret behind so much of life's magic. Whether it was plants growing, birds flying, or dragons roaring with energy, light and quantum particles were at the heart of it all. And do you know what, young adventurer? I think that's pretty spectacular. So, the next time you see sunlight streaming through the trees, or the twinkling stars in the night sky, remember, life is filled with quantum magic. You may not see it with your eyes, but it's always there, making everything come to life with a little spark of light. Until next time, remember that the magic of light is all around you. All you need to do is open your eyes and let the quantum adventure begin.